we'd like you to give us the Snyder Cut.
Sounds interesting.
Really? You have the interest?
Sure, what did you have in mind? I could give you the epic period piece look, or the dark and gritty style, or the post-apocalyptic cut.
Whatever you think would work best.
Yeah, man, we love your style.
You love my style? Awesome. Well, I can definitely give you that. All right, now sit down, relax, and let me work my magic.
Oh man, this is gonna be epic!
Let's go wild on these fools!
Titans, go!
Where did the rain come from?
Who cares? The rain makes this battle look way more epic.